Hello, this is Trevor with Pelican Water Systems. Today, I want to take you through the replacement of your shower filter cartridge. For today's replacement, we will be showing the chrome model. The only difference between the chrome and the white is that the chrome has a decorative jacket. The first step in replacement is removing the filter cartridge. On a chrome model, we can do it in two ways. We can simply remove the decorative jacket first, and then twist counterclockwise to remove the cartridge. Or we could simply pinch the decorative jacket and rotate off. Now we can install a new cartridge by lining up the indicators and locking in clockwise. Now we can simply slide on the decorative jacket, or if we have height restrictions, we can simply slide the cartridge into the jacket, pinch, and rotate to lock on. With the new cartridge installed, we now need to remove the shower head for the flush. We recommend flushing the new cartridge into a bucket as to help with cleanup. You'll notice when the water comes out, it will be black. All we need to do is allow the water to run for a few seconds to expel these fines. With the new cartridge flushed, we're ready to reinstall the shower head. You'll reinstall it hand tight and follow with a pair of pliers. Your system is now ready for use. If you have any questions on replacing your shower filter cartridge, please feel free to give us a call at 877-842-1635.